Hey guys, it's Veda day 16 and
17.
Damn it, 17. And I've been doing so good with that. Anyways, so it's Veda day 17 as my roommate Megan reminds me. Do you mind if I show you real quick here? That's Megan. We're about to watch The Blues Brothers. So I have popcorn that I'm going to make here in a sec. And I got my peanut butter M&Ms because you know they are my jam. And yeah, my shoulder was not as bad today. Barely noticed it, so that was good. Yeah, it's been rainy all day long. Super rainy day today. Like, it was thundering and lightning earlier. And I'll tell you something, when you live in a high-rise, when you live on the 19th floor, it is loud and echoey and strange when it lightnings and thunders and all that out. But kind of really cool at the same time. Yeah. Okay, movie's starting, so that's all I'm going to say for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for Veda Day 18. And tell my lovelies.